As far as metrics go for output, when you're looking at pace or power, and this goes again in any of the three disciplines in triathlon or running, you can look at pace, you can look at power, you can look at grade adjusted pace. All of these things have their place. Again, stick to the ones you're used to and go by those, and you can look at the comparisons across the board. When you're dealing with those, your heart rate's going to do what your heart rate's going to do. You're working on your heart rate through other things by heart rate based runs, or your aerobic versus anaerobic output in order to better that overall how your heart responds to different training stimulus. When you do something heart rate based, the pace, the power, the RPE and all go out the window. You really need to focus on what it is you're focusing on. What is zoning overlaid with output versus RPE is also something very interesting to think about, and look at the structures of where your quote-unquote zones are, how you achieved or established those things, and understand that what a zone is at the beginning of a workout is very different than what a zone is at the end of a workout, because there is not a linear progression in how it's felt in your body, but actually more of an exponential curve. Because if you were to do some level of hard interval type set at the beginning of the workout, it might feel easy, but that same output at the end of a workout, even over an hour, if you have multiple sets of these, is going to feel and have a greater impact on the stimulus and the stress level that you're receiving at the end of a workout.